The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. How can you say that I am mad? Can you not see that I have full control of my senses? My sense of hearing especially has become more powerful. I've heard sounds from heaven. I have heard sounds from hell. There was no reason for what I did. I did not hate the old man. I even loved him. He had never hurt me. I did not want his money. I think it was his eye. His eye was like a vulture, one of those terrible birds that will watch and wait while an animal dies and then fall upon the dead body and pull it to pieces. I had finally decided to kill the old man and close that eye forever. Every night about 12 o'clock, I slowly opened his door. In my hand, I held a light covered over with a cloth so that no light showed. I lifted the cloth so that a single, thin, small light fell across his eye. It was not the old man I felt I had to kill. It was his evil eye. The 8th night, I was more than usually careful as I opened the door. I was now sure of success. Suddenly, the old man sat straight up in bed and cried, "Who's there?" Now I could hear a quick, low, soft sound of a clock. It was the beating of the old man's heart. The sound grew louder. The old man's fear must have been great indeed. He gave a loud cry of fear. I held the bed covers over his head. At last the beating stopped. The old man was dead, dead as stone. So, I am mad, you say? You should have seen how careful I was to put the body where no one could find it. I pulled up 3 of the boards that formed the floor and put the pieces of the body there. As I finished the work, I heard that there was someone at the door. It was 3 officers of police. One of the neighbors had heard the old man cry. The cry, I said, was my own in a dream. The old man has gone to visit a friend in the country. My quick, easy manner made the policeman believe my story. But soon, I wished they would go. My head hurt, and there was a strange sound in my ears. Suddenly, the sound became louder. It was not just inside my head. Why did the men not go? Was it possible they could not hear? I pulled my chair across the floor to make more noise. I was suffering all I could bear from that sound. Louder, louder, louder. Suddenly, I could bear it no longer. I pointed at the boards and cried, "Yes, I killed him. Pull up the boards and you shall see." But why does his heart not stop beating? Why does it not stop?